first thing one should do when using PIP for the first time is to import the price list, and this little video will show you how to do that. When you open PIP, first you will get to see the main menu, and by using the little navigation bar on the left hand side we can navigate, and this time it's no harm to check the supplier details by clicking into the supplier setup. Most of this will have been set up for you already, but a couple of things you might want to check will be the last invoice number. So rather than pulling down hundreds of invoices from the server, make sure that you put in the last invoice number that you received physically from your wholesaler, and typing it in here will mean that you will only get to see invoices after this number. The last price list date is the last date you downloaded a fresh price list from the server. You can adjust this as required. Next, click on the little sub menu and choose Import Price List. Click the OK button and you'll be asked to enter in the supplier username and password. Click OK to download from the wholesaler's server the latest price list since the last time you did an update. When that is done, you will see this screen here. The first three columns here are taken from the Vetscope price list. The first column is the code used in the Vetscope price list, the next column the description, and the third column is the Vetscope price. Some of these prices may be highlighted in red as they contain fixed retail prices. The column beside that, the list price column, is the price downloaded from the wholesaler server, and then the column to the right of that, which is coloured in green and red, shows the difference between the price in Vetscope and the wholesaler's price list. The price difference column shows items highlighted in green, which are items that have gone down in price, and items highlighted in red, which have gone up in price. You will notice that those that have gone up in price are automatically ticked in the next column for updating. This can be altered by ticking or unticking as required. The last two sections of this screen have a button which will allow us to navigate to the price list, the price stock details screen within Vetscope, and there's a log where if we hover over the log it'll show us all the updates that have taken place over the last little while. Finally, click the Update Vetscope Prices button at the top of the screen to update the prices within Vetscope. Click OK to confirm that you wish to do this.